In this tutorial, let's learn how to join or merge different datasets. We are here with the Superstore dataset that comes with Tableau. We have here three spreadsheets or three relational datasets: orders, people, and returns. See that people here is the name of the seller, and you have the region. If you go to orders, you have the variable here, regions, but you don't have the name of the person. Then you can merge these two datasets in one spreadsheet. Let's open the Superstore dataset in Tableau. Microsoft Excel here, sample Superstores. See that you have the three spreadsheets here: orders, people, and return. Let's add order. Just double click. Order is here, and here is the data. Let's merge with people. Just go to people, double click. See this Venn diagram? That means they merge using an intersection of variable that we saw before. The variable is region, because region is in both data sets. And then you see that it's add people to persons to this data set. Let's take a look of the spreadsheet returns here. Well, you have the order ID, and you have here if the item is returned or not, yes or no. Let's merge the three data sets. Just go and double click in returns, and then you see in the end the variable return here, it's add. Use it as base the identifier, the order ID.